Welcome, guys. Right now, you're looking at my screen. We are just going to install analytics. Okay. We're going to create a brand new Google Analytics account. So I go into Google Analytics. I click the little gear here at the bottom, and that gets me to the admin panel, which is what you're looking at here. If you haven't already, you would create an account. I'm assuming you guys have an account. If not, you can easily create a Google Analytics account. Once you've created a basic account, you come in and you create a new property. So I'm going to decide which account I put it on, and then I'm going to create a property. And with my property, I'm going to say I want to add it right here on this domain. So I'm going to take the domain. This is actually a subdomain, and I want to have it have its own tracking for the purpose of this video. So I'm going to name the domain, and that is just a fine domain name to me. It can be more human readable. You don't have to have the .com. This could be human readable here. The old UA is going away. Otherwise, I would say turn on UA as well. But let's just go ahead and create the GA tracking code. GA4. Hit next. How many people do you have? Let's just say it's a small business, and I want to measure my application. Good enough. We could also say what we're in. We are in the business and industrial, internet, telecom. Let's do it. Okay, and there it is. No, there's nothing I want to bring in. If you wanted to bring in another property, so if you're converting from UA to GA, it's as simple as, and if you have a UA account, you need to be doing this, creating a GA account and converting it in. So you just pick the account that you want to import data from and then hit save, and it'll import all of the content from your UA account. That'll make life easier for you. But in this case, I don't have a GA account, so we're just going to hit skip. Okay, so now we need to start collecting data. So this is going to be from the web. And again, I put in my address, my web address. I like to copy paste web addresses because if you ever watch any of my videos, you know my typing is atrocious and I'm humans and all humans make mistakes. So what website stream? Let's call this courses.klb. Okay. And then that's good. HTTPS, create stream. Let's see what else we got. I like to track outbound links. This is fine. We can always come back in here and change these at any point. But this, the way it has it set up by default is just fine. Create. It added the stream, and now I can tag it to my website. It actually opened it automatically. To get that, you can also hit it right here, view tagging instructions, and it opens that for you. So view tagging instructions, if you're using plugins, CMS builders, you can just follow instructions. I always like to just install things manually if possible. So there's my code. In the next video, I'll show you how to take this code and install it onto a website. Thank you, everybody.